Hello everybody, welcome. Today I want to review this 15-inch Mac Air in color sky blue. I have a small confession to make. I am actually under the weather. I have a cough and I have a sore throat, but I was just so excited. I could not wait until tomorrow to open my new MacBook Air. My hair could probably use a washing also, so don't mind that. I tried to put on a little bit makeup and a light blue dress to fit the vibe of my sky blue. So let's jump right in. So my old Lenovo computer decided to stop working this morning, and my husband kindly went and found one. Today Sunday, and he found a place open where he could get me this upgrade. I need a reliable laptop that can help me with making my thumbnails, editing my videos. I need something really reliable, and that's where this comes in. My 2025 MacBook Air in 15 inches has a new M4 chip, and it is in sky blue, beautiful sky blue. So should we open? So it's in Apple's beautiful packaging. It's very sleek, very simple. Almost feel like I should have a drum roll. Wow. Look at that color. It's beautiful, isn't it? It's like pastel, but it's a little shiny. It's a perfect combination. Actually, in this lighting, I can see that on the camera, it looks almost like silver. But it is the light blue. It's very pretty. Inside, we get the braided MagSafe cable, and it is the same beautiful sky blue color. Let's see what this is from. It's some paperwork from Apple. It seems like it might be the instruction manual, perhaps. Oh no, it's yeah, it's instruction manuals. So what else? Power adapter. Oh, that's heavy. That's a plastic cover, and it has room for to charge two things at the same time, it seems. That's nice. Back to the computer. It's actually quite lightweight for a laptop, and it has, so I just noticed that the kind is the Thunderbolt size. So your like regular USB, this boxy one, would not fit on there. Besides that, there is the room for your MagSafe charger, and on the other side there's actually room for a regular jack, like for your headphones. Let me try the one I have now to make sure. Yes, so it is the traditional port for headphones, like headphone jack, I think it's called. So that works. But if you have this kind of USB port, there is no space for that one. So that you should be aware of too. You'll have to get Apple's own Thunderbolt. Looking at my headphones, I really wish that they had made one in pink also. Maybe next time, hopefully. I actually don't know if it comes charged, so let us see if it turns on. Otherwise I have to charge it. I'm nervous. There you go. Whoa. Did not expect that. I don't know how many languages it greets you on, but it's taking a while, okay? So, finally, it's asking me to choose the language. And if, as you can see, let me bring you closer. My keyboard is in Danish. That's why it has the A and the U. But yours is probably going to be in English if you're in the United States or so. Even so, I'm going to choose language English instead of Danish, because I think I feel more comfortable in English, or maybe even Spanish.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
It seems like you can actually pass information directly from your phone to this computer. So for anyone who's struggling to find how to do the symbol. There's this key called Option. You have to press that one together with this one, and then you get an app. It took me a minute to realize that. If you're wondering where the finger touch ID is, it's actually this key over here. It has a little circle there, and that's where you put your finger. I didn't know that. See that, but the colors of the screen are absolutely amazing. Then again, I'm also coming from a 10-year-old laptop from another brand, so wow. It's absolutely beautiful. Should we try the camera? I'm testing the camera. And the colors are really nice. It has this slightly annoying, my watch is dead. Anyway, it has kind of this weird function where if I move, it kind of follows me. And I just discovered that if I click over here, it's called, there where the green FaceTime symbol was, and then click on center stage, it turns off that function, so that's nice. And I can see that there's something called background here, and I guess it will remove the background, which would be practical in this situation where I'm making a video and I don't want the background. Let's try that. And very fitting, it is also sky blue. Makes my hair look funny though, but it's nice. And it matches the clothes and matches the computer. So since my watch is dead, I cannot see if I'm in frame. I hope I'm in frame. I just want to say that my husband kindly bought a sleeve also. I remember to get the right size. This is 15 and a half, 15.6 inches. That fits the computer. So now I'm done with my old Lenovo. I'm going to bring it to recycle, or my husband probably is going to bring it to the nearest recycling center to be recycled. And now I have a reliable computer, and I'm working already on my next video. Stay tuned for that. And thank you very much for following me along in this unboxing. I normally make hair videos, but once in a while I'll share some of this creator journey and what's going on behind the scenes. If you like that kind of content, let me know in the description box. If you don't, you're also welcome to let me know. And thank you for staying with me in this unboxing despite the hair that could use a wash and the sore throat and the cough. Thank you for staying with me. YouTube is about to suggest another video for you. Make sure to watch.